How would you like to make this kind of money every single day just by watching videos on YouTube? Yes, guys, it's definitely possible to make this kind of money every single day just by watching YouTube videos. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make money online simply by watching YouTube videos. Now, this doesn't require much effort. It's very simple to set up. All you have to do is follow a few steps and you're going to start making this kind of money on YouTube. So if you're interested in this kind of content and you haven't subscribed already, do make sure to hit that subscribe button right now, because I'm going to show you how to do this, and I also talk about other different methods of making money online, and I'm sure you're going to get some value from this video. With that being said, let's jump into the video. So the first thing we're going to need for this to work is to visit youtube.com. So if you have youtube.com, just open youtube.com, and then the next thing is to look for a video or videos that have interesting titles that people are interested in watching. So for this particular example, I'm going to be using ClickBank. I'm just going to type in ClickBank here. And then once ClickBank loads, you're going to see we're just looking for a video that has a high number of views. So right here at the top, you can see this video here that has over 700,000 views. So I'm going to click on this video right now. Now let me just pause the video before it begins to play. So let me explain how this method is going to work for you. So basically what we're doing is we're looking for videos that have high number of views that people are interested in watching. And then what we're doing is we're going to be watching these videos, and after that we're going to be sharing these videos, and people are going to view the videos and they're going to get and they're going to pay us. So you might be asking yourself, like, how exactly are they going to pay us for watching videos online? And there's an interesting site which I'm going to show you right now that we use to make that money. So the name of the site is shrinkme.io, and as you can see over here, shrinkme.io is basically a site where you get paid for shortening URLs, right? So it's a URL shortener that pays you for shortening links. As you can see over here, what it says is the highest paying URL shortener. You join now and you earn up to $220 for 10,000 views. So how do you use shrinkme.io? It's quite easy to start. There's just 3 basic steps. First step is to create an account. Second step is to shorten your link, and then the third step is to earn money. Now, here are a few reasons why you would want to join shrinkme.io. The first reason is because shrinkme.io is completely free. You don't have to pay any money to join. All you're doing is that you just sign up completely free, and then you shorten your links. Once you give people those links and they click on it, you get paid, right? Very, very easy. Now, how do you earn money with shrinkme.io? Like I explained, it's quite simple. After you create an account, you shorten the link and then you post it, and anybody that visits your link, you get paid a percentage. You get paid some money because of their visit. Now, shrinkme.io also has a referral program, meaning that if you refer people to sign up to join shrinkme.io, you're going to get 20% of their earnings for life. You also have a custom admin panel. So when you join inside, you're going to get your own admin panel. So you're able to shorten your links, you're able to manage your links and see your payments. You also get detailed statistics. So you're able to know your audience. You're able to see in details which particular links are bringing more income, and it's going to help you to make a better decision on which links to promote. Now, another interesting thing about shrinkme.io, which I forgot to mention earlier, is that they have a very low minimum payout, right? You're required to only earn $5 before they'll be able to pay you. And interestingly, they have many different payment methods. As you can see here, there's PayPal, Bitcoin, WebMoney, Paytm, Payer, and even bank transfer, right? So they have many different methods that you can use to get paid. They have one of the highest rates in the industry for shortened link payers, and they have an API, and they also have a dedicated support team as well. And as you can see over here, there's a lot of payment proof or people that they've actually been paying out. So they've been paying out people for shortening their links and driving traffic to the site. So you can definitely see that people are getting paid for using shrinkme.io. Now let's go back to the video and let me explain how this works. So over here you have this video. Now what we're going to do is we're going to watch this video, right? I know it's a bit lengthy, it's about 20 minutes, but you're going to watch the video all the way to the end, and then you're going to see if the video has value, right? Because we're going for videos that actually have value. We're not trying to promote things that people are not interested in, because if you promote things like that, people would not be interested in clicking it. A general rule of thumb that I go for is making sure that the videos that I'm using or that you're going to use have over 500,000 views. That's over 500,000 views. If the video has over 500,000 views, that means that people are actually interested in watching it and they are going to get value from it. So after watching this video all the way to the end, all you're going to do is you're going to copy this link right here, which is the URL of the video. You're going to copy the link, or you can click on share and then click on copy for the link. You're going to copy this link, and then you're going to go into shrinkme.io. Now when you go into shrinkme.io, all you have to do is paste that link. Right after you log in, you simply paste that link and you're going to get a shortened link. Now once you get that shortened link, your next question might be, how do you start getting traffic? How do you drive traffic to that link? And I'm also going to show you how to do that. How you drive traffic to the link is simply by going onto Google. So you simply go onto Google and you're going to search for forums, right? You're going to search for forums. So depending on what country you're in, you can just search for different forums in that country and join them. But I'm going to show you the particular forum that I use for this. So the name of this forum right here is Nairaland. And Nairaland, because I'm currently based out of Nigeria, Nairaland is one of the more popular forums out here. So what you're going to see, I'm going to show you something right now. If I use this website analytics tool to show you something, you're going to see what I'm showing you right here. So you can see that Nairaland has over 32 monthly visits, right? Over 32 million people are visiting Nairaland every single month. What does that tell you? It tells you that there's a lot of traffic on this site. So what you want to do is you're simply going to create a topic on Nairaland. Now because the video that we selected is about ClickBank, which is about business and entrepreneurship, you're going to go to the business section, and after you sign up on Nairaland, you're going to create a thread on Nairaland, right? You're going to create a thread talking about ClickBank and using your link to drive people to ClickBank. So you might be saying, I don't know what topic to talk about. How do I get articles I'm going to use? I'm also going to show you how to get articles for that. So to find articles that we're going to use to drive people to ClickBank, all you want to do is head over back to Google and type in ClickBank PLR, right? So for any topic that you choose for your video, you're just going to type that topic and then type PLR after it. So after I typed it here, you can see right here we have different PLR options. So these are free articles that you can use as yours. You can use to drive people to ClickBank, to your traffic link. Okay, so these are free articles that you can use. So if you select any of these links over here, let me just select one real quick, you're going to be led over to this site. I just selected one called IDPLR. I've talked about this site in one of my older videos, but from IDPLR you can get free ebooks, videos, software and articles that you can use. So on IDPLR, all you want to do is you're going to get an article that talks about ClickBank. You're going to copy it, head back over to Nairaland, and you're going to create a thread, and after that thread you're going to put in your shortened link to your YouTube video. And basically that is how you get paid. So because your topic is about ClickBank and people on Nairaland are interested in money, they're going to click on your topic and they are going to head over to your link, they're going to click on it, and you're going to get paid. So that is basically how this method works. Like I said at the beginning of this video, it's actually very simple to do. All you have to do is follow the steps that I have outlined for you, and you're going to make this happen for yourself. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content like this, you want to see me talk more about making money online and sharing different strategies and different methods that you can use to make money online, do make sure to like this video, do make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified once I make a new video on the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.